Today we are going to learn how to use ALB ingresses. First, install the ALB Ingress controller. You can install the ALB Ingress controller in two ways. Install the ALB Ingress controller when creating a cluster. Select ALB Ingress. You can also install it after the cluster is created. ACK clusters and ASK clusters support ALB ingresses. Click the name of an ACK cluster. Click Operations. Click Add-ons. Then select ALB Ingress Controller and click Install. Wait until the ALB Ingress Controller is installed. Second, create an ALB instance. To create an ALB instance, you need to first create an ALB config object. Each ALB config defines an ALB instance. Launch the CLI and open the ALB config. The content of the ALB config is simple. The ALB config includes the following settings: the name of the ALB instance and the network type of the ALB instance. The ALB config also includes the IDs of the vSwitches used by the ALB instance. The two vSwitches must reside in different zones. The zones of the vSwitches must be supported by the ALB instance. Let's create an ALB config. Then view the ALB config. The output shows that the ALB config is created and a domain name is used to expose the ALB instance. Third, create an Ingress class object. Let's check the content of the Ingress class. The Ingress class is associated with an ALB config. The Ingress class is used to bridge an ALB instance and an ingress. Let's create an Ingress class. The Ingress class is created. Fourth, let's deploy two applications. One is named Coffee and the other is named Tea. The applications are deployed. Fifth, let's create an ingress. Specify the ALB Ingress class in the Ingress configuration. Two paths are specified to match requests destined for the tea and coffee applications. Create an ingress. The ingress is created. Use a browser to access the tea application. The request is successful. Now we change the path to access the coffee application. The request is successful. Next, access the applications over HTTPS. ALB ingresses support auto-certificate discovery. We have already uploaded a certificate. We can check the certificate in the Certificate Management Service console. Then, let's create an ingress that can forward HTTPS requests. Specify the domain name of the certificate in the TLS parameter of the Ingress configuration so that the Ingress can discover the certificate. The Ingress is created. Send HTTPS requests to the applications. The output shows that the certificate we uploaded must be valid. Let's try to access the applications in secure mode. The request is successful.